Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0107 signifies a low voltage condition in the manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor circuit. The MAP sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the intake manifold pressure, which is vital for the engine control unit (ECU) to calculate the appropriate air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. In the Honda Fit from the years 2015 to 2020, this sensor is typically located on or near the intake manifold. When the MAP sensor functions correctly, it provides accurate pressure data to the ECU. If the sensor returns a voltage reading less than 0.23 volts, it triggers the P0107 code, indicating a potential malfunction in the circuit or the sensor itself. Understanding this DTC is critical for effective diagnosis and repair. DTC P0107 indicates a low voltage condition from the MAP sensor, which is essential for accurate air-fuel mixture calculations. This sensor is located on the intake manifold and measures the pressure within it. Its role is to send real-time data to the engine control module, ECM, allowing it to make necessary adjustments for fuel injection and ignition timing. If the sensor reports a voltage reading lower than the specified threshold of 0.23 volts, it may lead to performance issues, including poor acceleration, rough idling, or even stalling. The accurate functioning of the MAP sensor is vital because incorrect pressure readings can lead to improper air-fuel mixture, affecting engine efficiency. To effectively address the issue, it is important to verify the initial DTC reading and consider possible wiring or connection faults. Several possible causes can lead to the occurrence of DTC P0107. First, poor connections at the MAP sensor or the powertrain control module, PCM, may impede the flow of necessary signals, resulting in low voltage readings. Loose terminal connections can also create intermittent contact, causing unstable data transmission. Additionally, a faulty MAP sensor could provide erroneous outputs, thus triggering the DTC. Moreover, wiring issues, such as shorts or breaks in the circuit, could alter the voltage that reaches the MAP sensor, affecting its performance. Each of these factors can contribute to the low voltage reading and must be considered during diagnostics to ensure an accurate repair. When dealing with DTC P0107, drivers may experience various symptoms indicating engine performance deterioration. One common symptom is poor engine performance, which can manifest as reduced power during acceleration or sluggishness. Drivers may also notice rough idling, where the engine vibrations are more pronounced and unstable. Another significant symptom is stalling, which can occur unexpectedly if the sensor fails to provide accurate readings to the ECM. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver of the issue. Recognizing these symptoms can assist in timely diagnosis and repairs, ultimately enhancing the longevity and performance of the vehicle. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0107, you need to turn the vehicle's ignition to on mode without starting the engine. This initial step is crucial because it allows you to access the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system using a Honda Diagnostic System HDS scanner. Once in this mode, you will check the MAP sensor's values to see if they are consistent with the expected thresholds. Specifically, you should verify if the sensor is providing a voltage reading of less than 0.23 volts, as expected for this error code. Should the current condition match the threshold, it confirms the failure for further diagnostic testing. However, if it does not, there may be an intermittent fault. Continuously monitoring the ignition mode settings during diagnostics ensures reliable data capture, assisting in pinpointing the culprit. For the second step in troubleshooting DTC P0107, First, make sure to turn off the vehicle completely. Ensure it's in the off/lock mode before proceeding to disconnect the map sensor's 3P connector. Once the sensor is disconnected, switch the ignition back to the on mode. Here, it is again vital to use the HDS tool to check the parameter values of the map sensor in this state. Similar to the first step, you want to ascertain whether the values are less than 0.23 volts. A yes response here will lead you to the next step, confirming the specific area of failure under review. This step is crucial in narrowing down which component is malfunctioning, whether related to the sensor or the circuitry. In the third step of troubleshooting DTC P0107, you will measure the voltage between the designated test points. With the vehicle in the on mode and the map sensor 3P connector still disconnected, you'll focus on test points 1 and 2 within the connector. Here, test point 1 refers to the map sensor 3P connector number 1, and test point 2 refers to map sensor 3P connector number 3. You are specifically looking for a voltage reading of approximately 5.0 volts. If this reading is present, it indicates that the map sensor is likely faulty, and replacing it is the logical next step. This process is essential for effective problem identification, as a functioning map sensor is crucial for delivering accurate data for optimal vehicle performance. Moving to the fourth troubleshooting step for DTC P0107, you will conduct an open wire check focusing on the VCC1 line. First, ensure the vehicle is switched off and jump the SCS line with the HDS to perform a safe disconnection of the circuits. Disconnect the PCM connector C, which includes 51 pins, and check the continuity between specified test points. These test points comprise the map sensor 3P connector number 3 and PCM connector C number 41. Establishing continuity is essential, as it verifies that the VCC1 wire is intact. If continuity exists, the wire is functioning properly. If not, you will need to investigate and repair any breaks in the wire. Additionally, if your PCM software is outdated, updating it may resolve the issue, and troubleshooting would be considered complete if the DTC is cleared successfully. The fifth step of the troubleshooting process focuses on checking for short circuits in the PB line related to DTC P0107. As with previous steps, begin by ensuring the vehicle is turned off. Then jump the SCS line with the HDS. Next, you will disconnect the PCM connector C. The goal is to check for continuity between the map sensor 3P connector number 2 and the body ground. This wire check will help determine if there is a short circuit in the PB line. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates a short, necessitating repairs to the PB wire. If the wire is intact, you may consider updating the PCM software or substituting it with a known good unit. This approach is crucial for resolving the DTC. If the issue resolves upon updating or substituting the PCM, it confirms the effectiveness of the corrective action taken. Once you have completed all required repairs related to DTC P0107, you should verify the effectiveness of your work through a final repair verification process. Begin by clearing any stored DTC codes using the HDS scanner. Following this, it is essential to test drive the vehicle under conditions that previously triggered the DTC. This allows you to monitor performance and ensures that the code does not recur. Pay attention to any symptoms experienced during the test drive, such as engine performance or check engine light alerts. Successful verification will confirm that the repairs you've conducted have resolved the issues associated with the P0107 code, ensuring optimal engine management and performance is restored. Preventive maintenance plays an important role in avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0107 in the future. First and foremost, conducting regular inspections of the MAP sensor and its associated wiring can preemptively identify issues such as frayed wires or loose connections before they escalate. It's equally essential to check and secure all electrical connections that both the MAP sensor and the PCM to prevent voltage drops or intermittent failures. Regular software updates for the PCM are also crucial, as outdated software can contribute to miscommunication within the vehicle's electronic systems. By employing these preventive measures, you can enhance longevity and performance, minimizing the risk of encountering similar diagnostic trouble codes in the future. Understanding the significance of DTC P0107 and its implications for vehicle performance is critical for effective troubleshooting. The MAP sensor is an integral component of the engine management system, and recognizing any fault associated with it can lead to more severe engine issues if left unaddressed. Following the specified troubleshooting steps meticulously can help you accurately diagnose the problem, whether it's a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or PCM software concerns. Additionally, implementing preventive measures can further protect your vehicle to prevent the recurrence of this DTC. By maintaining awareness of the MAP sensor's functionality and ensuring regular checks, you can significantly enhance your Honda Fit's performance and reliability, keeping it running smoothly. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.